You said you're snoring less.
I am. My husband commented on it the other day. I
I
said, "It's
love
all the work I'm doing with Kasia at stupid o'clock in the morning."
it. Yeah, he's like, okay, fine. I guess I'll allow it. That's awesome. That's so great to hear. I had no idea how much I snored
Mhm.
either before all of this, or just how easy it is. I guess we can't say easy, but that it absolutely can be changed. It's kind
Right.
of one of those things that everyone talks about. It's the same with back pain. I meet people all the time. They're like, I've always had this back pain. I'm just gonna always have this back pain. And I'm like, you're 32. No.
Right.